Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Looking for an easy way to extend your Wi-Fi signal at home? In this video, I will show you how to set up the TOTOLINK EX1200T Wireless AC 1200 Dual Band Range Extender using the WPS push button method. If you are experiencing weak Wi-Fi signals in certain rooms, this simple setup guide will help you extend your wireless network and boost your internet coverage within minutes. Follow this complete step-by-step tutorial to connect the extender to your router and improve Wi-Fi coverage in weak signal areas. First, open the box of the TOTOLINK EX1200T Extender and check the items inside. Plug the TOTOLINK EX1200T into a wall power socket. For the initial setup, place the extender close to your main Wi-Fi router, within 2 to 3 meters. After plugging it in, the power LED light will turn on. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds for the extender to boot completely. Now find the WPS button on your Wi-Fi router. The button may be labeled WPS, WPS/reset, or it may have a 2 circular arrows icon. The location of the button depends on the router model, but it is usually on the back side, front panel, or side panel of the router. Press the WPS button on your router once. After pressing it, the WPS indicator light will start blinking. This blinking light means the router is searching for devices that want to connect using WPS. You now have about 2 minutes to connect the extender. Go to the TOTOLINK EX1200T Extender. Press the WPS button on the extender once. After pressing it, the WPS LED or signal LED will start blinking. This means the extender is trying to connect to your router. Now wait for about 1 to 2 minutes. During this time, the extender will detect your router, copy the Wi-Fi settings, or connect to the router automatically. When the setup is successful, the signal indicator LED will become solid or stable. This confirms the extender is connected to the router. After successful pairing, the repeater creates an extended Wi-Fi network. The network name usually appears as your Wi-Fi name _XT or your Wi-Fi name repeater. The password will be the same as your main router password. Unplug the repeater and move it to a location between the router and the weak signal area. Now the setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.